Oh, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. The Honda CB500 single air-cooled is currently being finished in India and will be made available to the Indian market in September 2026, hopefully. When is it going to come to the UK and how much will it be? That's what we're going to play around with today. I hope you're well. Don't forget to subscribe. Lots more interesting stuff coming on the channel. I'm off to ride a motorbike with the Potteries, and I'll put that recording out probably on Sunday. Today is Thursday. Let's go for a ride. Okie dokie. The Honda CB500, some 28 horsepower, 28 brake horsepower with 43 Newton meters of torque. I know it's something like 43.3, but it's just 43 Newton meters of torque. Is this going to be a storm in the UK market? I think so. I think it's going to be a great prequel to the Honda CB350, and I think Honda knew this. They've released the 350 to the UK market. It's gone wild, absolutely wild, and all those 350 owners will now be wanting to buy as well as the 350. Go and get the 500 as well. I would love to test ride one. I would absolutely love to test ride one. Absolutely. My goodness. So, currently, over in India, the 350 is about 2.2 likes. They're expecting the 500 to be 3 likes, so that's like an extra 30%. So 30% on 3,500 in the UK, let's say, so that's 30%. That's about just over £1,000. Could the CB500 be somewhere in the region of £4,800 plus on the road costs? I don't know. What do you think? How much do you think the CB500 is going to be worth on the UK markets, understanding the price of the CB350 and understanding the marketplace in the UK today with the cost of living and all that good stuff? Well, it's not good stuff, is it, really? I mean, these images of the CB500 look absolutely fantastic. Now, I've always thought that, you know, the 350 ranges, like the Royal Enfield 350s and the Honda 350s, not necessarily the BSA Bantam, because that's got about 29 horsepower, but anyway, they're always a bit lacking in power. Yeah, they're just a bit lacking in power. There's nothing wrong with them, but now this CB500's coming out. Yeah, this is going to be a completely different ball game. You'll be able to happily go down the motorways at 70 miles an hour and go on a tour across Europe. I'm guessing it's going to come out with a fantastic warranty from Honda. Probably 3 or 4 years, maybe. I don't know. We'll have to suck it and see. I would be very tempted. Very tempted. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. It's got tons of torque with its long bore, and you can see that from the images. It's got a very long bore. It'll be absolutely fantastic. I wonder where it redlines. Probably something like 8,000 or 9,000 RPM with such a long bore, and that's okay. That's okay. Got tons of torque from the bottom end, pulling you like a coal freight train. But you know what I mean. It's going to be fantastic. Are you thinking about getting one? Tell me in the comments below. I would certainly consider it, although I've been waiting for the CB500F. If you're already subscribed to the channel, that's going to be a while. It's over in various places. There's been lots of videos lately on the CB500F with its interesting exhaust tone and different sized induction throats and strange valve timing, or not valve timing, valve shape for each of the cylinders. So that's going to be interesting. We'll have to wait and see. Do I get one? Do you think Incontinentia will let me get a CB500F? I think she'd like me let me get a CB500, but I think that'll come out in 2027. What do you think? Do you think it'll come out in 2027? You tell me. What a beautiful day out here in Staffordshire. What a beautiful day. We're getting some beautiful weather. I know we're having hosepipe bans and things like that. That's capacity management for you of water in the UK, but that's another subject. We don't really want to talk about that. And I'm here on the Triumph Tiger 800 2016. A wonderful machine, 24,000 miles on this bike. It's been wonderful. I see the second-hand market has virtually collapsed on Marketplace, Facebook Marketplace, eBay. Second-hand bikes are just not selling. New bikes are selling really well at the potteries. People are coming in mainly with cash and buying brand new bikes. So, and of course there are, they're of the Gen X. They're of the Gen X generation, where they've got the pension money and all that kind of thing from the private pensions. Just come in, go and buy themselves a nice new bike. It's interesting situations. Have you bought a new bike this year? Did you buy it from the potteries? Tell me in the comments. I want to know. But I'd like to, I would certainly like to get my hands on this CB500 and see what the torque is like. I bet it's absolutely fantastic. Let's go for this car. There we go. There we go. What a beautiful view. Look at this. The UK countryside. Absolutely magnificent. The temperatures are just perfect. You can see a bit of a haze on the road. I don't think the camera will pick it up. Just a bit of a haze. Absolutely beautiful. And I've got my airflow jacket on, £130, rev it. There you go. Don't forget to order your Ayuchi kit for this summer. We've got August, September, October. So you can navigate to wherever you're going. It'll be absolutely fantastic. Oh my goodness, absolutely fantastic. So, are you going to be buying the CB500? You tell me. How much do you think it's going to be? When do you think it's going to be available? Was it a good move by Honda? What's the impact to the likes of Royal Enfield? Are you a Royal Enfield fan? Are you tempted by this Honda 500? You tell me. You tell me. Oh my goodness. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. For those that are subscribed, I thank you ever so much. It really is much appreciated. It really is much appreciated. Oh my goodness. Just look at this. Oops, what was that? No idea. Look at that for a beautiful field. There's the hay, not hay, there's the barley or whatever it is. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Hopefully I've not got too many flies on the lens. There's a few flies coming on my visor. Hopefully not on the lens. Don't forget to order this Aiuchi. I'm just working with Aiuchi now on the brand new Nav1, which is almost a competitor to the Beeline Moto range, and we're really doing some serious testing. I'll let you know how it goes. Oh no! What's happened here? I'm going to have to go and do some filtering, hopefully. And because it's a solid line and it's less than 12 miles an hour, is it? I can filter through. There's no traffic coming the other way. What's happening? I don't really want to go around that left-hand bend with a double solid line, because I don't know what traffic's coming round. Look, there we are. Here we are. There's a truck here. He might not have seen me and took me out. And it's not his fault either. So I made a good call there. Made a good call. Right, hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'll see you very soon. Thanks very much for watching. Give your comments below on the CB500. See you soon. Bye bye.